Welcome back, dear students. We were talking about conductors and insulators in our previous session. Now let us understand in details what are conductors and what are insulators. Now, we can define conductors as those substances through which heat flow easily. For example, silver, copper, etc. Generally, we say that metals are good conductor. Out of these metals, silver is the best conductor of heat. The substances through which heat does not flow. Does not flow. And through conductors, heat flows. Insulators are those substances through which heat does not flow easily, are known as insulators. For example, paper, wood, plastic, rubber, etc. All these are the examples of insulators. So I repeat, through those substances heat flows easily are known as conductors, and those substances which does not allow the flow of heat through them are known as insulators. Examples of conductors: silver, copper, etc. Out of which silver is the best conductor of heat. Examples of insulators: paper, wood, plastic, rubber, etc. So these are the two categories of substances which are classified on the basis of the amount of the heat they will allow to flow through them. Now, let us go to the second process of flow of heat, that is convection. Convection. Now, generally, heat flows through solid substances by the process of conduction. But with respect to solids, liquids and gases are poor conductors of heat. So heat travels through liquids and gases by the process of convection. The process of the transfer of heat in a liquid or a gas by the movement of liquid or gaseous particles is known as convection. I repeat, the process of transfer of heat in a liquid or gas, in liquid state and gaseous state, in liquid and gas. The process of transfer of heat in liquid or gas, by which means? By the means of movement of liquid or gaseous particles, is called convection. Heat travels by the process of convection by producing convection current. The process of production of convection current does not happen in solid. Now, why this process of convection or convection current is important for us? Now, there are certain examples which we will elaborate to understand the process of convection or the process of formation of the convection current. Out of those examples, the first one is ventilators. We all have seen ventilators or exhaust fan either in our home or in our kitchen respectively, are usually near the ceiling of a roof. Why? Because fan produces a stream of convection current such that the warm air rises up and comes out of the ventilators or the exhaust fan. Second example, hot smoke and gases from the industrial furnace rises up and escape through the chimneys by the process of the formation of convection current. Now, the third is heaters, blowers, and heat converters of a room. Heat up a room by setting convection current, which we generally observe in cold countries. The fourth example is the formation of land bridge and sea bridge. The fourth one is most important. The process of formation of land bridge and sea bridge in the process of convection, which we are going to understand in our next session. Thank you, students.